Looks like just about everybody else is ready. They're all playing with Big Sister MJ, saying hi to Marjade. Marjade likes to watch over the puppies. Jaina doesn't like it so much. Kaylani, you go in the house? That's good. It's time for breakfast, huh? There's Connor, Simpson's puppy, Makita. And One Spot again. Hi, baby. Hi. There's Nishoni coming out. Hey, Mommy, you said it was time for breakfast. Okay, so this is what it sounds like when they're done eating and and they want to play outside. Looks like Mommy has a mess to clean up, huh? There's Champion Howler. That's Connor. He's a champion, aren't you, Connor? Yeah. At One Spot, she's pretty good too. Yeah. Four Spot thinks she likes that dry food. They haven't really had a chance to taste it, just completely dry yet. Kaylani's already taken a nap. She got a full belly and's taking a nap. Makita too, but not if Connor has anything to say about it. Alright, babies. I'll open the door so your mama can come in. Oh, look at One Spot. She found her way on the shelf. Mama's gotta go. Kaylani. She's too tired after having her big breakfast to go play, so she just snuggled up with a toy. Makita too. All tired out after breakfast. But we'll go outside and see what everybody else is doing. Connor is trying to discover the big food bowl. That's big boy food, Connor. Yeah. I know, it's brand new, Mommy. Just put it there, huh? You find a nice cool spot to lay down. Did you get your drink and now you want to play? That pretty face. Chief, Jaina, it's all right. Connor playing in the tall weeds. Jaina, it's okay. They can't get your babies. There's Nishoni. There's Nishoni. You try to play with her mama's tail. Jaina, it's okay. Oopsie, Nishoni fell in the hole. You need some help, sweetie. Uh-oh. One Spot said, that was my hole. You're covered in dirt, Nishoni. Chief and Connor. A pretty face. One lay down on the step. Taste a little weed. On Four Spot. Are you stuck, Nishoni? Turn around the other way. Come towards Mama. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Come here. Come here. Hey, Chief. There, you figured it out. Good girl. Good girl. One Spot says, I got my hole back. The sister's wrestling on the step. Hey, One Spot. You're going to be like your mama, huh? Dig a nice, cool place to lay down. Except your sisters want to share it with you. Hey. Be nice, babies. Jaina. It's okay. Oh, Simpson's puppy took over the hole. Hi, sweetie. Hi. A pretty face. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. Oh, Simpson's puppy took over the hole. Hi, sweetie. Hi. A pretty face. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. Hey, Makita woke up. Are you coming outside to play, sweetie? Come on, Makita. Still sleepy? There we go. You could come right to mommy. I don't know where to go yet. Everybody's back in the house. Ready to take a nap. There's one spot in Connor over there by the water bowl. Simpson puppy, half hanging out into the playroom. Makita, still trying out the dry food. It's good stuff, huh, Makita? Poor Spot, trying to wake up Nishoni. There's Jeep. Oh, and Kaylani. Everybody's in the house. Must be nap time. Good babies.